Hello and welcome to another update video on my mobile phone today, just now here on IOTA. Just want to give you a quick update video before it's too late, because I believe IOTA is due an outbreak to the upside. And I say that because, I actually bought in the last few days at around 160 and I failed to do another update video, but I did talk about IOTA like a week ago or a couple of weeks ago, and said I'm that extremely bullish on IOTA because I believe it had a lot to catch up, similar to Algorand, for example, and Algorand played out very nicely. I think IOTA is now going to play out. I mean, I talked about it, I think back here around the 2nd of September. That was before that breakout to the upside. And now we are in for a small consolidation, but I think IOTA might be the next one where a lot of money is going into. And I do say that because the indicators are all looking really good. The MACD on the daily, really bullish. The RSI down here, you can see it as well, not in overbought territory, so there's a bit of potential to the upside, not a bearish divergence, so looking all good. And also the ADX down here, you can see the white line is going up. I think the white line is above 20. It's a bit hard to see on the phone here, but the white line showing, yes, we are in an uptrend. And also the green line, the I line, this is showing an uptrend on the daily. And if we just go back to the 4-hour chart, we can see a similar picture. We can see that we are moving on the main price chart, that we are moving into this apex of the triangle. So, and when that, see, that's difficult on the phone, but that we are moving into the apex of that triangle, and it won't take long before there will be a breakout. We already had an attempt to break out above $2, and that failed. But guys, we are moving up, making higher lows, moving into the apex, and it won't take long, guys. And either you wait until the breakout and you trade the breakout, and it's completely your choice, Obviously, this is not guaranteed, of course not, but I strongly think that we are in there for a move to the upside. Again, I could be totally wrong, but long term, this project has a lot of potential anyway. But on the 4-hour chart, we've just made a bullish cross as well on the MACD. So all the indicators really telling us that we are in for something nicely. The RSI on the 4-hour also has a lot of potential to the upside. We're also in bullish territory, and the ADX down here also showing that on the 4-hour we have an uptrend. We are in an uptrend. We've made a bullish cross just yesterday, I believe. And let's go to the hour chart. You just see a little bit more then. And again, here all very indicators looking really good in my opinion as well. We're just here about to make a bullish cross on the MACD. You can see that, just about to make a bullish cross. And we can see that we are currently at the upper end of this triangle. I think we might drop down to something like 185 again. We're currently at 189 roughly, and then potentially in the next few hours there will be a breakout. And I think it will be to the upside, guys. It looks to me like a bullish pennant at the moment, or could also be something like a cup and handle pattern playing out, guys. So if we get above the $2.05 or $2, I think that will be a nice breakout to the upside. And I think that triangle is going to play out. It did that before. Back here, you can see that. It broke actually first to the downside slightly, but then we had that massive breakout to the upside. I don't know, but it has just a lot of potential still to the upside. And even if that breakout today might be to the downside for whatever reason, I think it's still, this project has a lot of potential to the upside. There were also a lot of good news now that IOTA is going in and has been accepted for a European project. I did read that in the news now. So it cooperates with the European Union. And of course, no financial advice, but some people asked me about one of the next cryptos to break out. I think this could be one. And again, I could be totally wrong. I am wrong as well sometimes. And of course, but normally, if you want to be on the safe side, just wait for the breakout, maybe trade the retest. People always say, oh, well, it can go up or down. Yeah, of course it can. Nobody can, if anyone could tell you 100% of the time it's going up or down, then that person wouldn't do technical analysis. That person would just trade all the time. The thing is, nobody can. There's always unpredictable things going to happen. And that is why so many traders just trade breakouts. And, of course, if you don't, if you don't have an understanding of technical analysis, you don't know how trading works, yes, people can get that impression that there are always two scenarios, and they always are, to be honest. And if you only get one, that is not a serious, serious technical analysis. That's why I've got a second channel on which I teach technical analysis, because I hope that people then better understand it. But guys, this is potentially a really good project, good opportunity. Come to your own conclusions, but in my opinion, a good project with good fundamentals. and also the chart is looking really good. All right, hope you appreciate that quick update. Thanks a lot. Bye.